2025 is here, and Apple just did something they almost never do. They unlocked a suite of brand new features in the middle of a software cycle. I'm Protech Genius, and today I'm showing you the 5 biggest features Apple just unlocked in iOS 26.2 that you need to start using right now. Feature 1, Liquid Glass Opacity Slider. We finally have control over the Liquid Glass UI. You can now decide exactly how transparent your lock screen clock is. Long press your lock screen, tap Customize, and select the clock. You'll see a new opacity slider at the bottom. Slide it to 0% for total glass, or 100% for solid color. Now that you've customized your clock, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I stay on top of every iOS 26 update so you don't miss these unlocked secrets. Join the Protech Genius family. Feature 2, Urgent Reminder Alarms. Reminders are no longer just quiet notifications. You can now turn them into full-blown alarms. Open the Reminders app, create a new task, and tap the I icon. Toggle on the new urgent switch. This will trigger a loud alarm that you have to manually snooze or stop, just like your wake-up call. Feature 3, Screen Flash Notifications. Previously, only the camera LED could flash. Now, the whole screen can. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Audio and Visual. Tap Flash for alerts and you'll see the new screen flash option. You can even pick a custom color so your screen glows when a specific person calls. Feature 4, Official App Icon Hiding. Apple finally unlocked a native way to hide apps without deleting them or using folders. Long press any app icon on your home screen and select Remove App. You'll see a new option, Hide from Home Screen and Search. The app stays on your phone but is completely invisible until you find it in the app library. Feature 5, Control Center Face ID Lock. This is a huge security win. You can now lock your control center when the phone is locked. Go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode. Under Allow Access when locked, toggle off Control Center. Now, no one can put your phone in airplane mode or turn off Wi-Fi if your phone is stolen. These new 2025 features make iOS 26.2 feel like a whole new phone. But remember, more features mean more background activity. If you want to make sure these new tools don't kill your phone, you need to watch my guide on the proper battery settings to boost battery life. Hit that like button, subscribe to Protech Genius, and click the video on your screen right now to master your battery life on iOS 26.2.